This is your boy Spinner, and I'm about to sing a remix to Kurt Franklin's More Than I Can Bear. I hope you like it. I've been through the fires and I swam through the floods. I've been broken into pieces, seen a lightning flashing from above. But through it all, I'll remember that he loves me and he cares, and he'll never put more on me than I can bear. I've been through the drama and I've lived all my life. I've been known as a non-believer, but I have got to set the story right. Just because I don't believe in your God or your money doesn't mean that I have to be slave on my knees, and he'll never put more on me than I can bear. I've been, oh yeah, through the fire, yes I have, and I swam, almost drowned in the flood. I've been broken like a picture into pieces, yeah, lightning flashing away from above. But through it all, yeah, I'll remember, yes I will, that he loves me and he cares not to never, no, put more on me than I can bear. Sing it again, I've been through the fires, ooh, and I swear, yeah, I'm in the flood. I've been broken into pieces, lightning flashing from above. But through it all, ooh, I'll remember, yes I will, that he loves me and he cares. And he'll never, no, he'll never put more on me than I can bear. Oh.